Hey guys, Donald here, and in this video we're going to talk about Everflow and Meta Ads. Now we're going to touch points on Everflow Postback implementations, how to optimize your Meta Pixel score, so on and so forth, so make sure to stick to the end of this video. Now, what is Everflow? It is a performance marketing and affiliate tracking platform used by brands and networks to manage partners, track conversions, and optimize campaigns in real time. It gives advertisers full visibility into traffic, revenue, payouts, and the most promoted offers typically come from e-commerce, finance, mobile apps, SaaS tools, and lead generation campaigns. This is widely used by high-volume marketers. So let's say you're running Meta Ads and you want to understand exactly where your revenue is coming from, which campaign, ad sets, or creatives are actually driving profitable conversions. You also need to improve your optimization by sending higher quality conversion signals back to Meta. That means tracking accurate events, passing proper parameters, and feeding the Meta pixel with clean, consistent data so your pixel score improves and your campaigns scale more efficiently. So in this video we are going to show you how to do that using ClickFlare, which is a performance marketing tool, and if you're doing high volume affiliate marketing, then you definitely are going to need this platform. Without further ado, let's get started. So this is the ClickFlare dashboard, and a few integrations that we need to connect with Meta is going to be the conversion API, which is where you connect your Meta pixel, and every conversion that will come from Everflow, we will use API connection to optimize that pixel, to send as much as information as we can. The second one is the cost tracking integration, meaning that we will be able to pull the ad spend from your ad account and see the revenue and the cost under the same dashboard. Now let's go here at integrations. Under conversion API, click add integration, select Facebook. Let's give this pixel a name. We need to add a new pixel, so let's just name this something random, test pixel. So let's go ahead and grab the pixel ID and access token from Facebook. If we go here to the events manager and make sure that you are selecting the correct ad account, go to datasets. So I want to add this pixel right here. I grab the dataset ID, paste it under pixel ID, and if I scroll down, I should generate the access token. Okay. The access token is generated, copy and paste it here, save. The action source is going to be website in our case, and under the event type mapping, we can select what conversion, we can select the ClickFlare events that we want to send to Facebook. So we can be general conversions and we can send them as purchase, or if you want to target a specific event, like a payment event or something custom, you select the custom conversion and you map it into integration. And for that conversion, for that single conversion, we are passing to Meta pixel, Facebook click ID, country, state, and all of this juicy information right here. If you want, if you're doing lead generation, you can take this step even further. You can pass the zip code, this one right here. You can pass the zip code and you can map different kind of parameters here to improve your pixel score on Meta. Once you do that, click next, save, and that's it. Second integration is cost tracking. This is pretty straightforward. All you do is add integration, Facebook, let's give this a name. And we are going to sign in with a Facebook account. I already connected my account right here and will simply select from the drop down, but if you haven't signed in, first you are going to sign in. You will be redirected again at this modal. Click the drop down and you should be able to see the account down here. I'll connect my account. Okay, so I think I have to reset it, so I reconnect. Okay, I'll select my Facebook account, next, and select my ad account, FitWave supplements. Save it, and that's it for the cost integration. Now, in order to set up a full campaign, a full tracking campaign in ClickFlare, we need to create these elements first. And first is going to be the traffic source, basically where you're buying your traffic from. In this case, it's Meta or Facebook. Second, we are going to create the offer. Basically, the offer is your affiliate link or the page that a conversion takes place. And if you're using like a pre-lander on your flow, then we need to add a lander to that campaign. And finally, we take these three together and connect them into a single ClickFlare campaign. So let's start with the traffic source first. Let's click new, search for Facebook. Let's name this Facebook Everflow. And here we need to select the two integrations that we added. Text pixel and the cost integration. Make sure that you are always connecting the cost integration, otherwise it won't work. We won't pull the cost. Save it. Now let's create the offers. So we're going to go to Everflow and grab our affiliate link. So let's say that this is my offer right here. I'll grab this tracking link right here. I'll copy it and create it on ClickFlare. So let's name it Everflow offer. Now here at affiliate network, this is another ClickFlare element. Basically, affiliate network, it shows where the revenue is coming from and also can help you create the postback for the affiliate account. So let's go ahead and create affiliate network. Search for Everflow and give this a name, Everflow. Now you see the affiliate network tokens are populated by us, but if you go to Everflow and you want to complete these other parameters, you enter them right here under the affiliate network token. And what that is going to do is it will create the postback link. And when a conversion happens on Everflow, they will fire those informations through these parameters back to ClickFlare. So select the payout currency and copy this link and save it because we are going to add it to Everflow later on. Save. Now let's enter the affiliate link. Now, one important thing is that we need to append the ClickFlare click ID to that Everflow link. So basically we are passing ClickFlare click ID to Everflow, and when the conversion happens, Everflow will fire it back to us through that click ID. Now, if you have connected the affiliate network on the offer, you can simply click append click ID to the offer URL. And if you scroll to the right, you'll see that the ClickFlare click ID was passed. Now we click save. And let's say that you have a lander for your flow. You go to landers, click new, and you name this Everflow lander. And this is going to be your lander URL. You just paste it here and that's it. Now, just to keep this simple, I will not add the lander. I will keep an offers only flow. Now, after I've created these elements, I will go to campaign and put them together. So click new. Let's name this Everflow campaign with Facebook. I'll select my traffic source, which is going to be Facebook. I think it was, this one right here. Cost model, leave it not tracked because we are using the cost integration. And here where it says use integrations, basically you are connecting your pixel. So make sure to select it on the campaign level, otherwise it won't work. Now the transition should say redirect. We click next. Under the path here, we select offers only and choose the Everflow offer. And once you have selected your Everflow offer, you click save, and ClickFlare will create this campaign tracking URL, which you will copy this one and you will go to the ads URL and paste it over there. I don't have any ads right now, but let me change the ad account real quick. Okay, and I'll show you where to paste it. Okay, so let's go inside this campaign. Okay, and you scroll down, and the website URL is going to be the ClickFlare link. Now what you can do here is keep only the domain and cut everything after the question mark, add them here at the URL parameters, so you save it as a tracking template. And once you do that, click publish. Now, a couple of things here that I told in the beginning of the video. We need the conversions to be reported from Everflow back to ClickFlare, and we are going to do that using the Postback link that I showed you. As I mentioned, we are passing our click ID to Everflow. If conversion happens, with that click ID, Everflow will fire the postback and send it back to us. Now, how to add the postback? You simply go to the affiliate networks here, edit the Everflow affiliate network and copy this postback right here. Go to postbacks, add a new one, and you can fire a postback on a global level or for a specific offer. So let's say I want to fire for a global level. I'm going to select the delivery method as postback, paste it here, and let's say that you want to send extra information from Everflow to ClickFlare. You can use our macros, for example, transaction ID, which is TX ID equals. Select the macro here from Everflow, add it, and after that you just click add. Now let's say that you want to fire the postback for one specific conversion. Let's say you want to fire it only for one purchase. How do you do that? Well, first of all, you need to create something that's called a custom conversion in ClickFlare. So when that specific event takes place, you will see it as a separate conversion in ClickFlare. So you need to go to settings, custom conversions. Basically, you add your own custom conversion here. I already done that, so I will just modify an existing one. So let's say I want to track only purchases. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add this custom conversion, and I want to include this in revenue and in conversion column also. I'm going to save it. So here I'm going to select event. I'm going to add it to a specific offer. Let's say this one here, and select the event that you want to fire the postback to. You can choose from the events that the offer has or the offer allows you to track. Let's say I want to fire the postback on sales page view as an example, but it can be a different event. I will paste the postback URL here, add my macros. And one last thing that is really crucial that you need to add in order for ClickFlare to attribute the custom conversion is this CT macro right here. Basically is the conversion time, and this should be equal to the parameter of the custom conversion that you created on ClickFlare. So you copy this one here and paste it after this CT. Make sure that there are no spaces because this is really sensitive and case sensitive. Once you do that, you click add and you're good to go. Well, that's it in a nutshell. With this tracker, you are capturing every conversion from Everflow. You are getting all of that juicy information and you're sending to your Meta Pixel. This way you are improving your pixel score. You are keeping everything in one dashboard, and you will have a clear understanding where conversions are coming from, which ad or creatives are performing best, and you can take action based on that. If you are an affiliate marketer that is doing high volume, you definitely need this kind of tool. Thanks for watching.